Right. Another way to reduce the lines of code that you write, you might need to use modules. Now, there are some modules that are already out there that have been pre-built for you, and there are other modules that you create on your own. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own module in Python. All right, so right now I have got this file example underscore 2.py, and you have got two functions here, one that converts US dollars to Canadian dollars and another one that converts Canadian dollars to US dollars. So this is my code and I can write on top of it to do whatever I want. But anyway, I want to make it as a module. So I'm gonna cut this one from this file, and I will paste it in my module file. Now I can access this file. So I can just import converters. All right. So if I say converters dot, I have those two functions that are there. This one, let me pick the first one, US to Canadian dollars. Right. Then I type maybe 500 US dollars, and I want to print this one. So when I run it, it's gonna give me the result here. And now I have a cleaner code. Instead, I could have been having this code and additional line for print statement, but now I only have two lines of code. That's a simple way to minimize noise in your code. Thank you and bye bye.